Heralded as the Queen of the Arabian Sea, Kochi has an indelible presence in the pages of history with its trade connections and cultural alliances. Be it the Info Park, Smart City, Vallarpadam Terminal or the International Airport, Kochi radiates its significance to every corner of the world as a fast emerging metropolis. While the city promises to transcend future at an incredible pace, it's equally weighed down by its critical concerns over mobility. Addressing these concerns, Kochi is set to embrace a revolutionary move that welcomes the new dawn of a promising tomorrow, set forth by Kochi Metro Rail Limited. Welcome to Kochi Metro. The rapid transit system is conceived to provide a reliable, safe and economical way of transportation for Greater Kochi. Jointly commissioned by Central and Kerala state governments, the Kochi Metro project is contracted to DMRC by Kochi Metro Rail Limited. A state-of-the-art travel experience is what Kochi Metro promises to its commuters. The journey of Kochi Metro begins from Alua, the satellite town of Kochi, quickly passing through stations like Kalamasheri, Cochin University and Pattaripalam before reaching bustling Edappalli. The Metro Rail further moves on, brushing aside the traffic congestions prevailing on the roads and reaches Kalur Junction at an incredible pace. One can see the landmarks of the city, like the town hall by the side as the Metro Rail advances to the most happening shopping destination of Kochi, the MG Road. Swiftly, you will now proceed to reach Manorama Junction, saving 50 to 70% of your journey time than conventional roadways. Vaitala, one of the largest as well as the busiest intersections and transit hub in Kerala, is an important halt for Kochi Metro Rail. With water and land merging seamlessly, the journey from Vaitala hub to Peta is a visual treat. Finally reaching Peta, this journey in the Kochi Metro comes to a fulfilling end. Kochi Metro, moving beyond, moving ahead.